back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. And guys, before we get started, if you're interested in joining a new crypto exchange, check out BitUnex. It'll help support the channel. Check out the description below. I have a link there that you could press. BitUnex is a user-friendly exchange, requires no KYC, no VPN, and has super low fees. Check it out once again in the description below. All right, guys, so let's get started. Currently, right now, it's about 3 p.m. Eastern time. The price of Bitcoin is at $116,590. And as you can see, we have gone up, starting off here with the weekly, kind of doing a flag here. So it's not looking too bad, but the stochastics are toppy. We are on the way down. So far, we're showing a green candle. Still have 3 days and 5 hours before that closes. We are far away from the 21 moving average, which is at 102,166. So we might have to continue going sideways and let the 21 moving average catch up to price, or we might have to head down and get closer to the 21 moving average before we could head back up. Now on the other time frames, like the 6, you can see that the stochastics are on the way down, on the 5-day as well, 4-day, 3-day. So I just see more downside. Now on the 2 days, where we're starting to see a reversal, we got to the bottom, we're resetting, and we're on the way up, and we were able to regain the 21 moving average on the 2-day, which is at $114,704. So this is bullish here. Now we head over to the 1 day. I've been telling you guys since we lost the 21 moving average that we should be able to bounce up off the 50 moving average, which we have. And for the past couple days, I've been calling us making a move back up to the 21 moving average. And as you can see, we're right on the 21 moving average, which is currently at $116,803. Stochastics are still low. RSI is pointing up. This is showing me that we have strength to get back above the 21 moving average. So we were able to call it again, guys. Now let's check out the 22-hour chart. We're on the way up. We also regained the 21 moving average, but we're having some resistance here on the 50 moving average, which is at $117,205. Now let's check out the other time frames. The 12-hour, we're above the 21. On the 10-hour, also on the 8-hour, we're also above. We're trying to get above the 50 now, and then hopefully the 80. So stochastics are getting a little bit toppy here. In the 6-hour, we were also able to make it above with strength above the 21 moving average. Now on the 4-hour chart, this is where yesterday I gave you guys the W pattern, double bottom here, and this gives us the measured move to about 118,300, and so far we made it as high as 116,850, and as you can see, we got half of the measured move so far. So this is technically a winning trade here, guys. Stochastics still have a little room to go, so it's possibly we could make it to the bottom of this pattern. Maybe we could even make it back into this flag pattern, but at least I think we would make this measured move. So far so good. Congratulations to whoever took that trade. Take a look at the other time frames. A 3-hour, we still have room. It's important for us to get back above this 200 moving average. One more thing about the 4-hour is we also got back above the 200 moving average. So this is why I don't lose hope if we lose it, unless we lose it and we lose it with strength all the way down, because look, ended up getting a bottom pattern here, and now we're trying to stay above the 200 moving average. Take a look at the 1-hour chart. Stochastics look to be on the way down. 21 moving average is at 115,572, but look, we're above both of them, and the 21 moving average did cross the 200. This is bullish. Now I'm starting to see a little flag pattern here. It looks like we might be going a little bit sideways until the 21 moving average catches up to this price range here. We're kind of like flagging out, and the measured move to this, it looks like it will probably take us to finish off the rest of that double bottom pattern. Take a look at what the measured move is going to be, and yeah, pretty much it takes us to the bottom part of the flag, or probably inside the flag. Measured move about 118,597. So this is the last piece that we need to finish this double bottom measured move on the 4-hour chart. So that looks to me like the next pattern that is going to happen, hopefully. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, the stochastics are low. We're on the way up. We're starting to get above the 21 moving average, so it kind of looks like we might continue making a move up. So overall, guys, I still see us making move up, especially with the daily time frame looking kind of bullish. See us making it at least to 117,500, possibly even the whole measure move of 118,000. I'm interested to see where we will be in price when the stochastics on the daily get all the way up here to the dotted line. That will give us more information on if we're going to hold there with strength or are we being rejected. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.